Welcome back to Zootastic, your favorite place for fabulous feathers, wild facts and animals that know how to strike a pose. And today we're turning up the pink power and heading into the elegant one-legged world of a bird that's basically the supermodel of the wetlands. Let's welcome the one, the only, the leggy legend, the Chilean Flamingo at the Allwetter Zoo Münster in Germany. Now, when you think flamingo, you probably picture a bright pink bird standing on one leg, looking like it's judging you silently from across a pond. And honestly, you are not wrong. But the Chilean flamingo brings a little extra flair to the party. It's pink with purpose. Fun fact number 1, Chilean flamingos aren't actually from just Chile. They are found across parts of South Africa, from Argentina and Bolivia to Peru and, yes, Chile. They are the flamingos with wanderlust and the travel wardrobe to match. And what's with the pink color anyway? Are they born fabulous? Well, kind of. Chicks are born gray and fuzzy, and they only turn pink as they grow up, thanks to the carotenoids in their diet. And that's right, they eat special algae and crustaceans that are loaded with natural pigments. In other words, they are living proof that you literally are what you eat. At the Allwetter Zoo Münster, the Chilean flamingos live in a beautiful lagoon-style habitat with shallow water, warm sunspots and space to strut. They spend their time wading, filter feeding, preening, and of course posing like runway stars. If birds had Instagram, these flamingos would be influencers with millions of followers. Fun fact number 2, ever wonder why flamingos stand on one leg? Well, scientists think it's a way to conserve body heat, especially in the water. Standing on one leg helps reduce heat loss, and honestly, it also looks like they are doing advanced yoga, so flamingo level balance 10 of 10. And let's talk about that beak for a second. It's not just stylish, it's a biological marvel. Chilean flamingos use their specially shaped beaks to filter food from the water like tiny aquatic vacuum cleaners. They hold their heads upside down, swish their tongues around, and trap microscopic goodies through fine comb-like structures called lamellae. It's like slurping soup with science. Now, while they look graceful and serene, flamingos actually have a rowdy side. They live in large colonies, sometimes in the thousands, and they're constantly communicating with honks, grunts, and squawks. Think less silent elegance and more noisy neighborhood with really good posture. Flamingos are also big fans of synchronized behavior. They preen together, feed together, rest together, and even perform group courtship dances. Yes, really. They march in unison, stretch their necks, flap their wings, and basically throw a feathered flash mob to impress potential mates. If love were a musical, flamingos would be the main cast. Fun fact number 3, Chilean flamingos can live for over 50 years in human care. That's right, 5 decades of style, sass and strutting. They are not just pretty, they are built to last. In the wild, however, flamingos face threats like habitat destruction, pollution and changes in water salinity due to climate change. That's why the work done by zoos like the Allwetter Zoo Münster is so important. Through breeding programs, education and conservation support, they help ensure that flamingos and their stunning pink vibes have a bright future. So the next time you visit the Allwetter Zoo Münster, don't just glance at the flamingos and move on. Watch them wade, strike a pose, or engage in a casual mid-afternoon group dance. Look closely at their legs, their beaks, their perfectly coordinated movements. These birds are a masterclass in balance, beauty, and biological brilliance. That's it for today's Flamingo Fabulous episode of Zootastic, and if you enjoyed strutting through the world of Chilean flamingos, don't forget to tap that subscribe button, give this video a flamboyant thumbs up, and let us know in the comments which animal should take center stage next. Until then, stand tall, stay colorful, and keep it totally Zootastic.